Aha!
Welcome to Gen AI Briefs. I'm Ron. Here's today's generative AI news for May 9, 2024. Google's DeepMind has unveiled AlphaFold 3, a groundbreaking AI model that can predict the structures and interactions of a wide range of biomolecules, including proteins, DNA, RNA, and small molecules like ligands. This marks a significant advancement from the previous version, AlphaFold 2, which primarily focused on protein structure prediction. AlphaFold 3 utilizes an updated diffusion-based architecture, enabling it to model complex molecular interactions with improved accuracy. The model's ability to predict how drugs bind to proteins and to examine intricate biomolecular interactions could revolutionize drug discovery and scientific research. While the accuracy of AlphaFold 3's predictions varies depending on the type of interaction being modeled, ranging from 40% to over 80%, it still provides a more efficient starting point for researchers compared to traditional experimental techniques. However, some concerns remain regarding the transparency and accessibility of the model, as well as its performance in predicting the structures of proteins bound in complexes with other molecules. OpenAI has developed a new deepfake detector to assist researchers in identifying AI-generated content, joining a broader effort within the AI industry to combat the spread of fake media. Deepfakes, which are synthetic media created using deep learning techniques, have become increasingly sophisticated and difficult to distinguish from authentic content. The detector leverages advanced machine learning methods to analyze subtle artifacts, inconsistencies, and anomalous patterns that are indicative of deepfake manipulation. By providing researchers with a tool to detect these manipulated media, OpenAI aims to counter the potential misuse of AI-generated content for misinformation and deception. However, the rapid evolution of deepfake technology presents an ongoing challenge, as detection methods must continually improve to keep pace with the increasing quality and realism of deepfakes. Future research in this field will likely focus on refining detection techniques, exploring new approaches such as fusion methods, and addressing issues related to the generalizability and robustness of deepfake detectors across diverse data sets and real-world scenarios. Several major lawsuits have been filed against AI companies, particularly those developing generative AI systems, alleging copyright infringement and misuse of copyrighted content for training AI models without proper authorization or compensation. Notable cases include a class action suit against Microsoft, GitHub, and OpenAI regarding the Copilot tool, which allegedly copies and republishes code without adhering to open-source license requirements. Complaints against AI image generator providers, such as Stability AI, Midjourney, and DeviantArt, for allegedly infringing on artists' copyrights by training on their works and creating unauthorized derivative works. Authors Paul Tremblay, Mona Awad, and Sarah Silverman suing OpenAI for allegedly infringing on their copyrights by training on their works without permission. Major news publications, such as the New York Times, suing OpenAI for using copyrighted works in AI development without proper authorization or compensation. These lawsuits aim to address questions such as whether training AI models on copyrighted content constitutes infringement, the extent of fair use in AI training, and the potential impact of generative AI on creators' livelihoods. The outcomes of these cases could have significant implications for the future development and regulation of AI technologies, as well as the rights and compensation of content creators whose works are used in AI training. That's it for today's generative AI news from today's sources Technology Review, MIT Media, and Tech Target. Thank you for listening. For more information, the links to these stories are in the podcast description. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.